I would very highly recommend this cooler to people. Very nice. I got an Eco. Comes with a DC plug and an AC. It does come with handles. I don't want the handles out because it's in here full time. I highly recommend this. Joy, I think it's Tutus or Ludus. And open it up. Nice little LED light. I put my dog food and everything here. This is nice. Highly recommend it. I like it's very quiet too. I don't care if it's quiet or not, as long as it keeps things cold, but super quiet. Now I don't know about high in that, but I got it on low eco. So there you go. For anyone traveling, very nice cooler. I recommend it 100%, no problems. The other thing I recommend, this could be charged with USB or it's got a solar power, is this light. I like it a lot. I can fit this up here. Watch how bright the sucker is. See if I find it. Look at that, perfect. I can just turn this on. It charges up by solar, and or there's a USB. I use solar. Menards is where I got this from, and the best part about this is these can unsnap just like that and all come down. Perfect. And I think it shuts off by itself too. That or I did it. No, I think I did it. No, I did it. So they got high, low, low, and all these modes. So